Today's lesson, hybridization in ethane. Let us see hybridization state of carbon in ethane. Ethane. Molecular formula of ethane. Let us see structure formula of ethane. Carbon-carbon single bond. With this carbon, 3 hydrogen atoms. With this carbon, 3 hydrogen atoms. In this ethane molecule, these carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. That is here, one s orbital and 3 p orbitals participate in hybridization. Electronic configuration is outermost shell electronic configuration 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Outermost electronic configuration. Here all the 4 orbitals, that is 1s and 3p orbitals, take part in hybridization, and after sp3 hybridization 4 orbitals are formed like this. All the orbitals are named sp3 orbitals. So this carbon and this carbon, both the carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized here. So we can draw in this way. This is the carbon hybridization, sp3 hybridization. So orbital structure of this carbon is like this. Similarly, this carbon sp3 hybridization, here sp3 hybrid orbital of this carbon overlaps sp3 hybrid orbital of this carbon, and as a result carbon-carbon single bond is formed, which is a kind of sigma bond. The bond which is formed by head-to-head overlap of orbitals. So here this carbon-carbon single bond is a kind of sigma bond. Again, with this carbon there are 3 hydrogen atoms. So s orbital of hydrogen atom overlaps sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon. Similarly, sp3 hybrid orbital and s orbital of hydrogen, sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon and s orbital of hydrogen. In this way, carbon-hydrogen bonds are formed. Similarly, in this side, s orbital of hydrogen, here spherical shape s orbital of hydrogen, s orbital of hydrogen. In this side as well, 3 carbon-hydrogen bonds are formed through overlap of s and sp3 hybrid orbitals. This is the orbital structure of ethane, in which carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. Here, this bond, the bond formed by sp3 overlap, is a kind of sigma bond, and all the carbon hydrogen bonds which is formed by the overlap of sp3 and s orbital of hydrogen is a kind of sigma bond as well. This is complete orbital structure of ethane, in which carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. This is hybridization state of carbon in ethane. No more today. Thank you very much.